Okay, so we supposedly have an Xbox One X and no video. I've already checked the port out and it seems fine, but I want to double check and make sure we've been diagnosed correctly before I proceed with a retimer replacement. This shop usually does the ports, so if there were a port problem, they probably would have handled it. Give it a moment. Okay, if it were going to come on, it probably would have done so already. So we're going to power it back down and begin disassembly, and then we'll come back once I have it down to the board and go from there. Okay, we are disassembled. Let's perform some of our routine tests. We kind of figure we know what it is, but let's not make too many assumptions before we have tested the circuit. So we're going to start with our little filters here. First, I'd like to see and make sure that no pins are shorted to ground. That shouldn't be. These middle ones and each one of these are ground, so appears fine. So let's check our filters. Okay. I would like to check through. This isn't totally necessary, but if you have continuity through it, then you're probably going to have continuity to the chip. Okay. Give our port a look. Dusty in there, but other than that, let's grab our acid brush, dust it out in there. Other than that, I think we're okay. Everything looks solid. Yes, this was definitely a smoker device. Always fun to work on those. I'm going to check around this boost IC. Just to make sure there are no shorts there. Okay, seems fine. So we are going to go after the retimer. The retimer, I mean, we can test around the retimer, but it never really, at least in my experience, it is never presented with shorts. It just dies. And which has probably been the case this time as well. So, going to get set up for replacement while I'm getting my equipment set up. These are the temperatures I expect to use in this repair. Okay, let's switch you back. Let's grab the shim. Put on our memory. Let's get after this thing. Alright, let's do one more inspection. I don't know if anybody could tell there, but I had a little bit of trouble putting this thing on. It's been about 3 weeks since I've done one of these, and you could definitely tell how much trouble I had. I should have wicked it. Usually when I'm on top of my game, I don't need to, but boy, I'm really not sure if that's... it should be making connection. It's only slightly off. It looks like the solder is still there, but I really don't want to have to reflow that again. Yeah, everything's misaligned here, but not so much that I think it's catastrophic. And like I said, I really don't want to put more heat on this thing. So, we're going to go with that. We'll perform a test. And pray we didn't kill the chip. And go from there. We'll be back. Okay, as you can see, it's up and running. And then top left we have image. Switch you over to capture. We're in 1080p, so even as much as we kind of bodged up that placement, it's fine. It's working. It's working in 1080p. So everything is good. Okay, in summary, we had an Xbox One X no video. It's pretty basic repair. Port checked out. Everything in between the retimer and the port checked out. So it was pretty good bet that it was going to be the retimer. It doesn't present with shorts or anything of that nature. So we took it off. That went smoothly. Putting it on didn't go so smoothly. Like I said, it's been about 4 weeks since I soldered one of these, and boy, you take enough time off and it becomes a bit of a chore. I probably should have wicked and put some new leaded solder on there. It probably would have gone a little smoother. Like I said, when I'm on my game, that's no issue, but when you get it 4 weeks out of practice, it becomes a little bit of an issue. So anyway, if you have any questions about the equipment I used in this video, take a look in the description below. They're all linked down there. If you like this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and you'll know when I post videos. Right now, it's about twice a week. If you have any questions, please post them in the description. I'll do my best to answer them. And that's really all I have for you, and that's really all I have to ask of you. So I appreciate you watching very much. I appreciate the support on the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.